Neechai gachchati, upari dasha chakranemi kramena. The wheel of fortune turns. What goes down must come up in the order of the rim of time. Thousands of years ago, our ancient sages captured an eternal truth of the universe in just a few powerful words. Imagine a massive wheel of time. As this cosmic wheel turns, every part that is now deep in the darkness will eventually rise to the highest peak of light. This is not just a law of planetary motion. It is the story of every joy, every sorrow, and every rise and fall in your life and mine. Because nothing stays still here. Everything is bound in one divine cycle.
Namaste friends. Welcome back to DakshJyoti. Today, we are going to understand the coolest and most nourishing phase of this cosmic wheel, the powerful 10-year Mahadasha of the moon. In astrology, the importance of the moon is not just poetic, it is an eternal law. The sages realized that the same force which creates tides in the ocean also writes the story of your life. The moon is the true architect of your experiences. The ascendant may be your body, the sun may be your soul, but the moon is what actually lives and feels this life. It decides your nakshatra, it experiences the transits, and it is the lord of your mind, your manas. To truly understand these 10 years of the moon, we need to go beyond calendar dates and grasp the ancient science of Tithi. In Vedic astronomy, a Tithi is a divine conversation between the sun and the moon. When the moon moves exactly 12 degrees away from the sun, a new Tithi is formed. The sages were measuring that divine energy transmission that the moon receives from the sun and delivers to the earth. This is what we call Paksha Bala, the strength of the lunar phase. Here lies a profound mathematics. The moon repeats its cycle in the sky every 10 days, and your soul lives that same cycle over 10 years of life. The scale changes, but the law remains the same. Every month, the moon travels through a most secret path, from Shukla Ekadashi to Krishna Panchami. During these 10 special days, the moon lies between 120 degrees and 240 degrees from the sun. In Vedic astrology, this range is deeply mystical. 120 degrees, the 5th house, the house of past life merits and Purva Punya. 240 degrees, the 9th house, the house of fortune and divine grace. When the moon moves between these two powerful dharma houses, it shines in its fullest and most nourishing form. The energy of these 10 lunar days manifests in human life as the 10-year moon Mahadasha. This is the moon at its strongest, most supportive state, where stored karma rains down as pure good fortune and nourishment. Let's understand this practically and excitedly. The ascendant is your personality, but the moon is your receiving power, your ability to actually feel and absorb life's blessings. No matter how many comforts and luxuries you have, if your moon is afflicted, you simply won't be able to enjoy them. The moon is the sensor that decides whether you feel happy or stressed. Most importantly, the moon controls your focus. Wherever the moon sits in your chart, your mental energy and worries revolve around the themes of that house throughout your life. Come on, let's check this in your own chart right now. Remember these two super accurate astrological formulas. First formula. Open your birth chart and see if there are any planets in the 2nd or 12th house from the moon. If there are no planets on either side of the moon, it forms Kemadruma Yoga. Such people often feel lonely even in a crowd. But if there is a benefic planet with the moon or on either side, your moon Mahadasha will bring you great popularity and strong mental power. Second formula. Look at the 4th house from the moon. If benefic planets are sitting there, the moon dasha will give you immense mental happiness and peace. But if that house is empty or afflicted, then solitude becomes your greatest healer during the moon period. Don't fear it. Embrace it. This is exactly why two people can experience the same time period very differently, because their architect of experience, the moon, is sitting in a different position. When the moon completes its journeying of your experiences, who ascends the throne next? The sun himself.
In our next video, we will decode the mysterious 6-year rule of the sun. We will discover why the sun gets the number 6 after the moon's 10. The moon showed you what you were. The sun will reveal who you truly are. If this knowledge opened any closed doors in your mind, please share this video. Subscribe to DakshJyoti right now and let us know in the comments. Is your moon also sitting alone in your chart? This beautiful journey of learning will continue. Namaste.